Hey everybody, there's certain items it's time to stock up on now before March comes around. You know, when it comes to your financial security, it's not just about investing in the stock market or real estate, it's also about being prepared for the unexpected. As we've been talking about the tariffs, well, you know what? It's been put on hold, so perfect opportunity for us to stockpile, stock up, get as much as we can of these items. Because you know what? In March we certainly could see and we'll see prices going up and even shortages on the shelves. All right, let's talk about canned goods. This is your bread and butter when it comes to prepping. We're talking beans, soups, vegetables, fruits, tuna, chicken, the whole 9 yards. Why canned goods? They last forever. Literally, you can have these things in your pantry for years, and they'll still be good to eat. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can eat them cold, heat them up on a stove, or get creative with recipes. Now, here's the key. Buy in bulk. I'm talking flats of cans, people. Think about what you actually eat and enjoy. No point in stocking up on canned spinach if you can't stand the taste. Go for what you know you'll use, and when you see a good sale, jump on it. Don't be afraid to grab an extra flat or two. Trust me, having a well-stocked pantry of canned goods will give you peace of mind. You'll know that no matter what happens, you've got food covered. Let's face it, you can't survive on canned goods alone. You need your carbs, and that's where rice and pasta come in. These are your staples, your go-tos for bulking up meals and keeping you full. Now, when I say stock up, I mean really stock up. Think 25-pound bags of rice and multiple boxes of pasta. Head to your local wholesale club or Walmart to get the best deals on bulk purchases. Rice, especially white rice, is fantastic for long-term storage. It has a long shelf life and can be used in countless dishes. Pasta, while not having as long a shelf life, is still a great option for short-term storage and provides variety in your diet. Remember, a well-rounded pantry includes these carb sources, ensuring you're fueled up and ready for anything. Now, you've got your canned goods, your rice, your pasta, but you need something to cook it all with, right? That's where cooking oils come in. And I'm not just talking about your basic vegetable oil. While that's good to have on hand, I encourage you to diversify. Think about healthier options like coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. These oils are not only better for you, but also have a higher smoke point, making them more versatile for cooking. Here's the thing. Prices on cooking oils can fluctuate, especially with the current supply chain issues. By stocking up now, you're essentially locking in the current price and protecting yourself from potential future price hikes. Remember, a well-stocked pantry includes a variety of cooking oils, ensuring you're prepared to create delicious and nutritious meals. Look, I know how important that morning cup of coffee or soothing evening tea can be, and in a situation where your routine might be disrupted, you'll want to have those comforts readily available. But when it comes to long-term storage, you might want to consider alternatives to your usual fresh beans or loose-leaf tea. Vacuum-sealed tea, for example, can last for years and retains its flavor incredibly well. And let's not forget about instant coffee. I know, it might not be your first choice, but trust me, in a pinch, it's a lifesaver. Plus, the quality of instant coffee has drastically improved in recent years. Sugar is one of those things that people often forget about until they need it. But trust me, when you need it, you need it. Whether it's for baking, sweetening your coffee, or just satisfying a sugar craving, having a good supply on hand is essential. Now, when I say stock up on sugar, I'm talking about the big bags, the kind you find at Costco or Sam's Club. These bags are perfect for long-term storage and will last you a long time. Make sure you store your sugar in a cool, dry place to prevent clumping. And if it does happen to clump up, don't worry. You can easily break it up with your hands or a rolling pin. Remember, having a good supply of sugar on hand is just good preparedness. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in countless ways and can last for a very long time if stored properly. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the empty shelves in the supermarket toilet paper. We've all seen what happens when panic buying sets in. Don't be caught in that situation again. Pick up a few extra mega packs of toilet paper the next time you're at the store. And while you're at it, grab some extra paper towels and tissues too. These are all essential items that you don't want to be without. Store your paper products in a cool, dry place to prevent moisture damage. Trust me, having a good supply of toilet paper and other paper products will give you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for anything. Chapter 7. Batteries and Electronics Power Up Your Preparedness. In today's world, we rely on electronics for almost everything. From communication to entertainment to information, our devices play a crucial role in our daily lives. But what happens when the power goes out, or when you're in a situation where you need to conserve battery life? That's why it's so important to have a good supply of batteries on hand. And I'm not just talking about AA or AAA batteries, although those are important too. Think about larger batteries for flashlights, radios, and other essential devices. Store your batteries in a cool, dry place to prolong their lifespan. And don't forget to check the expiration dates periodically. Now is also a great time to stock up on any electronics you might need for prepping or preparedness, like a weather radio, a solar charger, or a hand crank emergency radio. Remember, being prepared means having the power you need when you need it. Chapter 8. Clothing and Shoes. Dress for the unexpected. When it comes to preparedness, clothing and shoes are often overlooked, but having the right gear can make a huge difference in your comfort and safety, especially in an emergency situation. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and buy a whole new wardrobe, but it's a good idea to have a few sets of durable, rugged clothing that can withstand wear and tear. Think about sturdy pants, long-sleeve shirts, and comfortable broken-in shoes. These are items you can wear for a variety of activities and will hold up well in challenging conditions. Store your extra clothing in vacuum-sealed bags to save space and protect them from moisture and pests. Remember, being prepared means being comfortable and protected, no matter the situation. Your health is your most valuable asset, and it's essential to be prepared for any medical needs that may arise. This means having a well-stocked medicine cabinet with both over-the-counter and prescription medications. Make sure you have a good supply of pain relievers, antihistamines, cold and flu medicine, and any other medications you or your family members take regularly. It's also a good idea to have a first aid kit on hand with bandages, antiseptics, and other essential supplies. Consider buying generic versions of your medications whenever possible to save money. And don't forget about supplements. Vitamins, minerals, and other supplements can help support your immune system and overall health, especially during times of stress. Store your medications and supplements in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Remember, being prepared means prioritizing your health and well-being. In today's world, our vehicles are more than just a mode of transportation. They're a lifeline. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or evacuating during an emergency, having a reliable vehicle is essential. That's why it's crucial to keep up with regular maintenance and have a few essential auto parts and tools on hand. Start by checking your vehicle's owner's manual for a list of recommended maintenance tasks and parts. Make sure you have a spare tire, a jack, and lug wrench, as well as engine oil, coolant, and windshield wiper fluid. Other essential tools include a screwdriver set, pliers, and a wrench set. Prices for auto parts can fluctuate, so now is a good time to stock up on essentials and potentially save money in the long run. Remember, a little preventative maintenance and preparation can go a long way in keeping your vehicle running smoothly when you need it most. Now, before you judge this one, hear me out. Alcohol, in a preparedness context, has multiple uses beyond just recreational consumption. In an emergency situation, alcohol can be a valuable bartering item. It's something people often crave, especially in stressful times, and can be traded for other goods or services. Beyond that, alcohol, specifically high-proof alcohol like vodka or Everclear, has practical uses as an antiseptic. It can be used to clean wounds, disinfect surfaces, and even start a fire in a pinch. Of course, always use caution and follow safety guidelines when handling alcohol. If you're looking to stock up, consider buying in bulk from wholesale clubs like Costco to get the best deals. Remember, preparedness is about being resourceful and adaptable, and alcohol, surprisingly, can be a valuable asset in your preparedness toolkit. All right, so we have some time, everybody. We have a few weeks before March is coming up. Use this time wisely to stock up on these essential items. Remember, being prepared isn't about being scared, it's about being smart and responsible. Make sure you stock up on these items now and be ready for whatever may come. If nothing happens, great, you have extra supplies. But if it does, you do not want to be left without. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.